Hello viewers and game developers, welcome to my channel. And many of my subscribers does know that isn't a normal video of mine. Only 6 subs and saying more. And this video is going to be a start of a brand new series. I'm not going to say the name, but I kinda lost. So first of all, what is the aim of the series? Well, I'm an average game developer and also a kid who uses Unity as a game engine. And when I'm learning a new concept or a thing, sometimes it's hard to find what I want to learn or explore for basic. So in this series, I'm going to research about a specific topic related to game development in a video of this series and give my thoughts on it. And you can guys ask me what's the advantage of watching this video. Well, first of all, I'm going to learn, but you guys also get to learn it with me. And this means you need to get what and all I used for the research and video. For that, I have linked every single link I used for the research in the description. I mean, all. That's crazy, right? That's great. And if you understand what I said, welcome to the Beginners Research Series by me. Before diving into the video, some things I want to say. First, this is not a tutorial on a specific topic. Second, there will not be many memes compared to my videos in the channel to give it more stayed on educational purpose, and everyone in the world hates my joke. I'm literally saying this, guys. Third, don't take my words too seriously. I might be wrong, and this is my point of view on the topic. But if you want to guys to reach it, as I said earlier, there will be links for what I used for the research. In this episode 1 of the series, it is going to be multiplayer. Wait. I said in the last dialogue of multiplayer hierarchy. I said I will add multiplayer, but the research for that, I'm doing it as a video. An idea turns into a series. That's a classic YouTuber's idea. But multiplayer will be considered in the computer terms as networking, and that's the part I hate in technology, and I don't know nothing on this. For best research, I'm going to search in Google as networking for game devs. Okay, let's try the Reddit link. Oh wow, there's a lot of links. So let's try this one. This looks promising, and according to this website, in the beginning games were networked and peer-to-peer, with each computer exchanging information with each other in a fully connected mesh topology. And if you don't understand, well, it is not a problem. So if you know about peer-to-peer networking, when you try to search about multiplayer, and it's nothing but the player acts like a server. For example, there are 3 players playing on peer-to-peer networking, and A is the host, and if B moves in the game, it will first update for A, then C, and same for the when C moves. The advantage of this, it is cost efficient for developers because the hosting is done by the players. But there's a lot of disadvantages. First, the host should have the best internet connection, or else it's going to be very laggy. Second, if there's a large number of players in peer-to-peer, it will be very laggy. This is host-based, and there's a second variant called server-based, which is very commonly used in large multiplayer games such as Apex Legends, PUBG, and Fortnite. And it works when a player moves, the PC is sent to the server and the server updates others. The advantage of this, it doesn't really depend on the player's internet system like peer-to-peer so much. But disadvantages are, it is very expensive for the developers. But there are free alternatives like Photon, Amazon web servers, and even Google Cloud. Who knows? And there's a lot of multiplayer options such as local multiplayer, and that is also divided into 2 parts such as with internet local multiplayer and machine local multiplayer. Example of interlocal multiplayer are Among Us, Minecraft, even a game called Duel, which works under the Wi-Fi. Examples of the machine local multiplayer are it takes two side and more like using one machine and using two controllers. That's it, easy, right? So we have an overall view of the multiplayer, and here we have a flow chart to revise what we have learned. I want to use online, and I choose server based for multiplayer because it looks good as compared to peer-to-peer for the game. Next, we need a game server. So I searched in Google as multiplayer server for Unity because I use Unity. And there's a lot of options for these. So let's go to the YouTube and search the same one. There are a lot of options again, but I narrowed some things down. So first we need to learn an abbreviation of CCU. It's nothing but concurrently connected users, and it means number of users online at the same moment in your game / application across all rooms. So having 20 CU at Proton is kinda bad. And also one question arose when I was typing the script. What if we exceed the count? And answer was they will not be connected to the servers, which is very bad user experience and I think for the players. The only option for the game servers, what I have of the most of the big devs do, is creating their own server code from scratch. Yep, that's right. And this also includes the hosting of servers, for example Danny. I think who uses a custom networking solution. But if you see Danny's Muck devlog, he uses Steam networking solution, which made easier. But I think your game should be launched on Steam. So the summary for this of which game server to choose is that if you are having a lot of money like a rich guy and ready to invest in servers, I would say you should use Proton, PlayFab. Many more actually you can use, but I recommend PlayFab and Proton because they are really good. If you don't have money like me, create your own networking solution for that. And for that, there's a tutorial by Tom Willand, I think I'm pronouncing it right, or use free ones like Guide by Tom. Okay, but I have a Unity form link which brings to all available network solutions, and you can decide if you're having a game it's going to launch in Steam. Use the Steam network solution, but I'm not sure how to use it. But there's a tutorial by Ziegler which is really good. So that's all for this episode of Beginner's Research, and I hope you enjoyed this series and episode. This video took 2 hours, 2 weeks of research, so please and like and subscribe guys. I'm really asking for you guys. See you later guys. Adios.